Okay, so this is the stack we implemented. This is the stack we implemented. But really, if we have an error, we shouldn't return values. We can throw an exception. So instead of doing return false, what we'll do is we'll just say throw new, and then we can do different types of exceptions, but I'm just going to keep this simple, and we're just going to return an error message saying stack full, so we can't push, and I'll show you how to catch that in a sec. And when we're popping, instead of doing that, we can throw another exception and say stack empty. There's the message. Right, so that's the implementation of the stack using exceptions. If we were to use this stack, so let's just ignore that bit of code. So I want to create a stack, so I can say stack s equals new stack, and I'm going to make it 10 items. Now, if I try and pop something from this stack, let's see what happens. So if I say s.pop, I'm not storing, but let's just do in num equals. If I run this, it should throw an exception. If I run this, it should throw an exception.
Oh yeah.
When it eventually compiles. There you go. So it's thrown an exception, stack empty, and we haven't handled it. So let's have a look at how we handle that. So just stop that running. So if we think we potentially might have a problem, so what we can do is create a try-catch block. And then what a try and catch block is where we've got some action that may fail. So let's just create a num up there. Take this code. So this code potentially could fall over because we might not have anything on the stack. Okay, so I'm gonna on the console here, because I've caught that exception, I'd have to decide what I needed to do if the stack was empty whenever it tried to remove a value. Stack empty, what to do now? So hopefully this won't fall over and crash. It will just output a message on the console. So that's the try and catch. Try and catch is a bit more sophisticated than that because you can catch specific errors and react in certain ways to specific errors. But I've just kept it simple. So if we run this now, so it's still error, but it's now failed sensibly rather than crashing. I've handled the error. I caught it, and you can see there's my little message. Okay, so that's basic exception handling.